Don't be moving around. That's more job really quick when you really. You want to get more again? Man, you must do that. Now they want to take care of your Germany. Who made the water and okay? If you can have no way Germany, but now we ain't very good. TV, madam, like a cheap with the town, the woman down. You know, Germany down, we can have no more. I take a track in the name of Oktoberfest. Man, in the Gulu city, Oktoberfest, first edition. So we can have no lie for the Germany. More, I think I take my so good, make what we. Then the video, the quick video. This is a special day. Independence Day, World Day, Oktoberfest, Gulu edition of the Gulu City First Edition Day. Meron niya, bola ito, kung kaya po morta, kung kaya po kaya morta, kung hindi ka makulat, kadang kaya po morta. Meron niya, tekwa, kung niya po po yung pinapira, pwede po niya niya rin. Kung pwede kayo, pwede na tiempo, pwede, kayo sila, kayo pwede. Pwede niya niya, kayo po niya niya, pwede kang pwede, kaya tira na niya, kaya tira na niya. Yung video na ko eh. So, way pwede po siya ulit niya, pwede po niya kwa, wala na yung siya, siya lang, siya lang, siya lang. Also, we have the camping tents. They're available. Just go to Curious. Of course, we call them Curious Tours Africa. They have all that you need. Watiki Joma Pat, we have vehicles. America locking in money, getting a batch tour. Maucho or Manyan, Kurucho or Manyan. Might people just if you want to tour. We are here to have the buses. You can actually go and book. Maybe I'll be reading the number for your booking. It's even a taxis, but what's the name in Spain? Rotarians. Atika neno President of Rotary Club Gulu City Nadi Tonak Subira Anero Tinget Council Ladua Wapoyo, Idiana Tiganeno, his worship, the brain behind the Oktoberfest, Gulu City, Ladit, Lord Mayor, his worship, Upo Alfred, Atiganeno Julie Lake, Atiganeno Rotarians, Mukana Baba Pat, Makiti Angeke Kenyo, Adon Pakwaro Nyingu, you really did a good job. Wamete kimoto uji wa ilo chingwa poyo gi Kaino uji wa megile kutie Watika now report about UPDF. UPDF tika meal services, free services, health services being given by UPDF. You can actually go and do x-rays. You can actually go and test for TB, even for HIV. It's free of charge by UPDF. Thank you for the good job. Walego down on your prime tent green madincha idogate. Watiki UPDF tika meal health services menoro. People pituo TB, people pituo jonyo HIV, kila mtimu x-ray, kaya kwa mwenye job ile kumidia x-ray, na UPDF x-ray, watiki Acholi, watiki Gulu hospital, watiki Acholi, kijo kaya ni vitu kuja, watiki Red Cross, watiki wewe kwenye big set. parliamentarians as they conclude. So we need to give them the pass. Radika Libio, Junior Yapigio. Meron Buona Endo, Buona Gulu University, Itigaminoa. Kongunyo Manak. Service providers, Mabubi, calling the fat part. 10 come Jim Kapun. You don't come from events. And if you know what you know, what you're stage.